How would you feel as a freelancer making between $50 to $100 per week? Okay, having the freedom to get any client you want from Facebook and WhatsApp. Now, listen to me very carefully. We have freelancing websites just like Fiverr and Upwork, but what a lot of people don't understand is that you are at the mercy of this website for you to get clients. Okay, so it is when people find you on this website, that is when you are able to feed. Now, let's think about it this way. Okay, the goal is to have financial freedom, and one of the main goal and one reason I want people to start thinking about who are into freelancing is you having the freedom of getting in front of the right people who need your digital services. Okay, having the freedom to just say, okay, I want to wake up this morning and I want to get in front of those who need my services, and when I get in front of them, I'm very, very sure they are going to actually patronize my services, and I'll be able to make between $50 to $100 a week or even a day. Are you getting it now? Now, one of the things that a lot of freelancers are just overlooking is the power of Facebook and WhatsApp. You having a skill, are you getting it now? There are some key targeting points. You need to just learn how to advertise on Facebook, okay, and having the ability to know the right audience to target. And when you know the right audience to target, yours is to just link your WhatsApp number to the advert, running a messaging app. Okay, so when you run an instant messaging app, when the clients come to your WhatsApp, you will be able to close your sale. You don't really need a website as a freelancer. Okay, you can start at the comfort of your home and using your phone. We have a video on this channel teaching you how to run Facebook ads. Okay, you can check the description box below. I'm going to include it. And if you want special training on how to run ads and give you the correct targeting that you are supposed to target for your freelancing services, then you can hit me up on WhatsApp using the link in the description box below. This is what I do almost every time. Okay, it is easy to get clients everywhere. This freelancing website you see, Fiverr, Upwork, what if they close up at any single time? Or what if you just wake up tomorrow and you find out that your account on Fiverr has been blocked, or all the reviews just disappear, or maybe they just fold up for no reason? That means you are handicapped. Do you understand? You are at the mercy. You are at a risk. Okay, so when you don't back yourself up and learn how to advertise, do you understand, on other social media, on how to get in front of those right people, having the freedom to say, okay, fine, even though Fiverr is not giving me client for now, even though Upwork is not giving me client for now, I have a way I can advertise on Facebook and attach my WhatsApp number, and people will start coming. People who need my services, business owners who need my services, anybody who, whatever skill you have. Are you getting it now? So that is actually the thing. Financial freedom is the goal. The freedom to earn at any time is the goal, not at the mercy of a website. It is cool to have Fiverr account and Upwork account as a bonus. Okay, they are cool. Cool traffic, free traffic is cool, but the ability to pay something and be able to trust in your own ability to target the right people, knowing where they are on every social media, because traffic is actually everywhere. So knowing how to target those people and get them, the group of people who are only interested in your services, is the key to financial freedom, is the key to being a king of making money online. So this is actually how to make money on Facebook and WhatsApp. Let them know how you can solve their problem. Begin to mention keywords that whenever you speak into, whenever you say it to those clients or those targeted leads, they are prone to being converted into a paid client, a high paying client. So that is the key, bro. That is actually the key to financial freedom as a freelancer. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification icon. Like this video. This video is just to open the mind of a lot of freelancers like me, okay, to what is actually going on there. If I should tell you that I do not have a Fiverr account, I personally do not have a Fiverr account because I have the freedom to use Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTubers, and everywhere, just to get any clients I want at any time and get clean profit. Then any free traffic I have, maybe from this YouTube channel or any kind of places or Google SEO, is a bonus to me. It's a bonus. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, drop a comment on what you think about this video. This video is to motivate you. You can actually do it, and see you on the next episode. Thank you. My name is Ayo. Bye.